Okay, we're going rowing, not sailing, rowing. Because Dragos is always sailing. But
I'm a motherfucking bike. We gotta row and start.
No, we're gonna go drive a race car on styrofoam on water. So it's actually a boat.
This can take my stuff. It got wet. I'll kill you.
Okay. It fell in the pool. I don't have a pool. Canada bird. Henry? Is that Henry? Henry is in my class. We're walking and walking and walking. Stop. Okay. Where is the boat? Oh, okay. That's a far way. Because we don't need that time anymore. Because we're gonna import all the stuff. And then we have full time again.
Hello, Canadian bird.
Canadian airships are about to kill us. What? I did not say that. And because of... Damn it! The boat is on the wrong other side of the lake. Or what should I call it? Whatchamacallit? So look at my friends, they're rowing. They didn't let me on board.
They're rolling!
They hating. Actually, I am hating because I didn't get to join, but whatever. I get to film. I'm the cameraman. Rock and ho! Rock and ho!
Oh god.
No shit. Look at that biker. He's oh, I don't know what.
Go away! Weed!
Don't you like weed?
Hi there.
Hi.
My name is Drago. I'm out here sailing, not rowing, sailing.
No, you're rolling. You're rolling. Well, you see, there's this story I've got, and it's called that one of you is going to fall in the water while I'm gonna film, and you have 56 seconds to do that.
No, we're not gonna go into the water because we are mother house.
Look at that! I zoomed into Mr. Green, and there's Drago, and there's Mr. Green, and Drago, and me. Zoomed in. Okay, I just noticed something. For one weird reason, Drago's end is deeper in the water than Mr. Green's. What the hell? You'll notice it better if you watch in full screen mode. And you have 13 seconds.
I don't care.
Well,
people, it was a good rowing thingy shitty and I'm gonna fail this shit. Subscribe to the channel. Hello!
They finally made it to open sea. Oh wait, it's just Uusi Suomi.
Yeah! We are moving like flash! Maybe a little bit slower, but...
Yeah, you're moving like 2 miles an hour. Oh my god, that's so fast.
Yep.
When are you gonna come to shore? I'm starting to think that people are thinking you're weird.
We are, aren't we?
Where are you on your way?
Your house, very detailed.
Okay, I'll be there. Look, they're back. Oh, that, yes. They came through the tunnel. Bye bye.